Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make fermented honey ginger to beat the common cold. My man has a cold and I wanted to make him something so when I'm not around he can just make the tea for himself and add this to the tea, and it will help him soothe out his cold and his sore throat. It's better than the store-bought one because there's no added preservative. And you can make only small amount like me, and you don't have to bother buying a big jar that who knows, maybe you're not even going to like it or use it. I'm only making a little bit for my man and just to help him with the sore throat, and he may not like this so much, so that's why I'm not making that big of a batch. You can always make more and add to it, so if he wants more I can always do it. It's not a hassle for me. All you need is a glass jar. Don't use plastic jar, it will affect the fermentation. Get some fresh ginger and peel it. You can grate it or mince it really fine. Smash it like I am, it will release the juice and you can use it right away. If you prefer, you can slice some lemon in there with the skin included. Now you can add your favorite type of honey, raw honey, any flavor, it doesn't matter. So get your favorite honey and just fill it all the way up so it will cover up the whole ginger and everything. Give it a really good stir, mix everything in, mash it, mix, and then you can use it right away or like stir it in a dry place where there's no sunlight, like maybe under your cabinet, sink cabinet, and yeah, you can let it ferment for like up to 2 weeks. After that you can put it in the refrigerator, which it will last till a month. And like I said before, if you're running out, you can always make more and add to it. You don't have to clean it out or anything, and if you don't, and that will really help with the texture as well. The fermentation is going to be so much better. And if you see it change color, it's all right to change color, and it may get a little liquidy or a little bit sticky, it's okay. And if you see there's less honey, you can add more honey to it to cover up the ginger. And you can use this in any type of tea, or you can use a spoonful and just eat it as it is. Once you make this, you're gonna thank me later. And if you make something similar, please let me know in the comment below. Bye.